Followers of MotoGP in Indonesia are one of the biggest in the world. They need to have one ride. I know they are already working to get close to the World Championship, so they are still learning and they are still looking for the steps. But maybe in the next future, we don't know when, but maybe in the future we have some chance for an Indonesian rider. Because we know that here in Indonesia, a big market, and I think will be important, and also we have many fans here, so important also for the fans. From the times I've been here doing events for Honda, and all the fans that I've watched and they follow us through the airport and through all the events after years, it's going to be a huge event. I think it's going to be full of people, and that's good for MotoGP. As more fans we have, it's always great, and I think they love here MotoGP. They watch every race and they follow us. And for every championship, so I think to have one race here is going to be a big event.